green and red. Looks like a mango. All right. We got some older Italian elevator here. It smells like a hydro. It smells like hydro oil. Why is there a door sill if there's no sliding doors? That's weird. It's like a whole door track. Four? I think this is hydro, but I'm not sure. I'll look when I get out. What the hell was that noise? It's like the whole retiring cam or something right there. I think that's, yeah, that's the retiring cam. Yeah, look, it's hydro. Huh, it's an older one. Really quickly, I'm just gonna look up there and see. Oh no, there's literally nothing up there. Wait, nothing? Nothing. What the heck? How weird. Look, it's the roof of the elevator shaft. Right there, you can see the piston in there. Interesting. These are such strange little elevators in this city. In Europe in general, honestly. Oh, look. Germar made this. Man, there's like 30 million different brands I've been in just in the last couple hours. They all have weird little short names that all seem to be acronyms for things. I don't even know what that says. Somebody just wrote that in with like Sharpie. All right. Yeah, who even knows? All right, down we go. I really wonder what year this is from. Maybe the 70s? Yes, I would guess this is 70s. But hell, if there's some Italian people who know, who are familiar with this, please let me know. Share any info or knowledge you have, by all means. Because I don't know shit. I don't know what those buttons are, but I've seen them here and there around Rome so far. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here for pictures, so that will be it.